name's Tom Barthel from Adsotech Scandinavia, and I'm here to show you a little bit about Winshuttle transaction. Now I'm going to keep this demo pretty basic. I'm just going to cover the record map run features, and keep in mind that when you implement Winshuttle, you don't need to make any changes to your SAP system. The only changes you're going to see is in your auditing. The duration of transactions will go from minutes to seconds, so that's worth keeping in mind. Let's jump right into it here. We'll do a very basic transaction, MM02. Before the recording, I'm going to have to log in with my SAP credentials. This just shows that authorizations in SAP are maintained. Whatever you can't access in the SAP normally, you're not able to access with Winshuttle. So no worries with the security. Here you're going to choose your input mode. I'll choose non-batch. And then you proceed to go through your transaction as usual, just indicating the fields that you usually want to change. And those fields are what you're going to be putting in your Excel sheet. So whatever you want to manage in your Excel sheet, you just highlight it as you go through. And if you miss anything and you forget to highlight, say, net weight or something essential, you can always go back and very easily add that to your script. So now that we've gone through our recording once, we can click Create Mapping, and this is going to be the phase where we actually organize our Excel sheet, which from here on out you'll be managing this transaction from. As you can see on the upper half of the screen, you got all the fields that you indicated during the record phase, and simple drag and drop. You organize the Excel sheet however you want. We've seen customers do some pretty elaborate forms. I'm going to keep it pretty basic for demo's sake right now. So I'm going to quick save my Excel sheet. And so let's extract some material data onto our Excel sheet so we have some data to change. Now, as you can see, there's a log column, and that's for creating the report after you run the transaction. It's going to detect if you have any errors in your data that you're entering into SAP. So say you enter a letter instead of a number, it's going to tell that and then tell you exactly where that error is, and you're able to change it pretty easily. And it doesn't update the data in SAP if there's an error, so that's always good. We'll just change the net weight of each of the items. And now we're ready to run the transaction. Once again, it requires your SAP credentials. Authorizations are maintained. And the log column is going to tell us how it went. And it looks like the data was changed successfully, no errors. And there we go. SAP data is updated simply by changing an Excel sheet. Now, I hope you appreciate how simple that was. I went through the entire development phase, but what the end user actually does is just the last third step, the run phase. So I hope you enjoyed the demo. I try to be clear and concise. If you want a more extensive or specific to your needs demo, we can do that for you. Just let us know. Please check out our website, adsotech.com. Check out Winshuttle's website, and also we got a news channel with recent news and events near you and tips and tricks. And hope you enjoyed. Take care.